up, everybody? We're here with an update on the vet. I just pulled the white one out. So today I'm gonna start working on getting the LS2 out of my brother's. You're gonna have to let me borrow it, dude. He's probably gonna hate me for it. So I'm gonna start getting ready for that. An update on the white one. I have the chassis in. The harness in. I just need the engine harness. I need to replace some fuel lines, unless I just go fully AN fittings. I don't know if I want to go 6-speed manual or just keep it the 6-speed automatic with the pedals. Manual would be cool, but Vegas traffic got so bad. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. And if I do go that way, I had to do a hole and I got to do a bunch of other stuff just to convert it. And I don't know if uploading a file to the automatic modules would work. So still doing my homework on that, but I'm gonna go ahead and start taking all my spare parts off, my dashboards, the carbon fiber parts. I'm gonna get the disconnected torque tube and start getting the motor ready to get pulled out. Yeah, the car's pretty fucked up, but if you haven't already, like and subscribe. Don't forget to help out a brother too. I cleared up the front, some space. I did take out the radiator and the AC condenser. Those were all tweaked and stuck. As y'all can see, this is it's pretty fucked. The whole valve cover is all broken. Looks like it kind of maybe caught on fire, or it's probably the battery acid. The battery was here and it's gone. All this is broken. The harness is all cut. Fuse box gone as well. I do gotta get rid of this damn glass, get it out the way. Yeah, even look at the header, the thing's all banged up. Both of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to take off as much as I can. But yeah, the whole intake's broken. Fuel rails are messed up. I'm pretty sure the whole harness is all chewed up. Different places, like here's already cut. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try to go ahead and get all this cleaned up. See if we can get a better view of it, and maybe unbolt it from the bottom. We're gonna go ahead and keep working on it. I have it jacked up right now. So I got both tires off. Here's one. Show you guys it. Thing's all blown out. Look at this. The whole rim is broken everywhere. But I'm disconnecting the training hoses right here. They have that little same little retainer that goes on like your radiator hoses or whatever for your trans cooler. You just gotta take those off and pry them off. So that's it for today. I got the whole engine harness disconnected and kind of out the way. I just need to do whatever's in the back of the motor, and all I have to do is either unbolt the flywheel or take half of the torque tube off. For the most part, I got the alternator off. I just gotta unplug the coil packs. The engine harness is out the way. All of this, there's just some little few tight spots where I have to get in there. But I'll show you guys the torque tube. I come back with the cherry picker to pick the car up. I'm using it to pick the car high enough to pull the motor out, because I'm dropping it, not pulling it from above. And then hopefully we could scoot this one outside for a little bit and work on this one. What's up, motherfuckers? We're back with another video. So we're here with episode, I don't know what. We're going to drop the rear cradle, the whole torque tube and engine today.
You trying to be an Indian?
What the fuck are you talking about, buddy? So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to drop everything to lower it. We're gonna hold the body of the car with jack stands for now, and then drop everything, and then pick the car up and over. Hopefully it works out. But you know, y'all gonna come in this fucking journey with us.
Hold on.
Oh
hey,
my
listen, I'm a special guest here today, and I wanna just show you guys around with what we got going on right here. We got the #1 stunner shop right here.
The cap. Stop the cap right now.
I'm about to. This our setup today, guys.
We just installed our lift.
Our shop lift. Show the folks how we working with. Look. Bam. Of course this is safe, bro.
OSHA certified.
This is OSHA certified right here. Look.
En la ciudad de la luz, donde todo es movimiento, nació Ferni Martínez, hombre de mucho talento. En Las Vegas se crió.
Everything else. So I believe I got everything done in the middle under the car. So now we're gonna go ahead and remove the upper and the strut, so we could lower everything already. So we have 218s, and then I'm gonna disconnect all this brake lines and everything, just so it's not in the way. And
Coches de lujo brillaban cuando pasaba el muchacho, disfrutó cada momento, nunca se miró gacho. Vivió la vida a su modo.
it is 2 in the morning. I'm tired, so I can start tearing this apart. And I know I have extra valve covers. I'm gonna have to source some few of those in the whole intake injectors for sure. I believe I should put a Holly high ram. I do want those ones, so leave down in the comments if I should do a Holly high ram. But yeah, and if you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe button. I would appreciate it highly, and it would help me out a lot. Stay tuned for the next video.
Por ella daba la vida, por ella todo lo hacía, un amor de los grandes, de esos que no se olvidan. Pero el destino es celoso y un día se le atravesó un accidente imprevisto, su camino terminó.